Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 29th of December 2023. We're going to talk about Tesla today real quick because the market and price action yesterday, if you guys saw it, it got rejected right here at this sell zone that we talked about on our prior video in Tesla on December the 15th. What does it mean? Well, it's a pretty widespread down bar in price action yesterday in the market in Tesla, which represents that this zone right here is still pretty strong and filled with sellers. Somebody here in the market in Tesla has a pretty big bag that they're trying to offload into the market in Tesla. And on yesterday's price action, there wasn't enough demand to absorb it. So the price went down in yesterday's price action in Tesla. Okay, so it did hit our first target. Market ended down 3.16%. That was our first target right here, this first sell zone. So hopefully we'll be able to see the market recover a little bit, try to come back up, test this sell zone. And if the market doesn't react as bad as it did yesterday, then the market in Tesla is still bullish. We're going to anticipate higher prices. Okay, pretty simple, right? So let's look at this on the 330-minute chart. You guys can see right here that I don't think the weakness is through though. That 330-minute bar definitely tells me that there's still some lack of demand coming through, just like this one here. So today's idea is going to be for us to notice whether or not the demand and the buyers are going to support price right around here. We need to see that. If we do, then we know that our price prediction is still on point and we don't need to change anything. Okay. Here's Tesla on the 7-hour chart. You guys can simply see as I transition through the time frames that we're still seeing weakness right here. And on this last 7-hour bar, we got an up fake and a push to go down all on one price bar with the amount of volume being heavy. So today, maybe even following the new year, we may have to see these buyers continually hold Tesla at this range. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything yet, but I really want everyone to focus in on this zone. So I would say around like 260 all the way down to like 245. If the buyers hold that range, then the market is just simply consolidating and they're going to anticipate higher prices as we begin trading in the month of January 2024. Okay, I'm telling you now, like the market is weak in Tesla. Here it is on the 3-hour chart. You guys can see from the price action yesterday, we just saw price go lower. Now here is, let me show you a couple of buy zones in the market in Tesla. Here's one here. Okay, that's a buy zone, meaning that price will continue to go lower. Buyers may step in this zone and keep the market from going further than this and begin to see the price go higher. That's one area. Here's the second area here. Okay, these are areas that we don't want to see price go below. These are areas that we're going to pay attention to see if the buyers are going to jump in and support the price. If they do, that tells us that our idea that we produced in December the 15th, that our analysis is still on track. If they don't show up in these buy zones, price in Tesla is going to go down. It's going to go lower. Here's the third one. Okay, so the market actually gives us hints as to where you kind of want to, let me let this go because it doesn't look like it's playing out right. We are all reliant upon someone else to hold the market. Like if you're a buyer and let's say you bought back in December the 15th, when the price was around 250, you are relying upon someone else to continue to keep that market from falling lower than that. You've already done your part. So now we're waiting on everyone else to remain buyers and continue to say that they want to see the market go higher. That is how we'll be able to determine if that's the case, if they hold these buy zones. Okay, I'm just trying to show you how this game is meant to be played. So on the daily time frame, let's keep our eyes open on these buy zones. Let me get rid of this one here because on the daily perspective, that doesn't look like that's even applicable. But these two buy zones here. Okay, so I'm here to tell you now, I'm looking for price in Tesla to go lower, but to test one of these buy zones. The sooner that they test it, the better that we'll know that our analysis is still on point. If they don't hold these buy zones, then I'll have to come back through and tell you that I'm looking for the market to go lower, which I'm already telling you that now. Okay, so we had to do another price prediction in the market in Tesla. Okay, here it is on the 2-day time frame. Again, I really don't like the current 2-day price bar. We have 6 hours and 56 minutes left, but that still looks bearish. Here it is on the 3. I don't like the 3-day time frame as well, and that's the printed bar. So actually, we may see the market in Tesla go lower. I know you guys don't want to hear it, but I got to keep it real on my channel, because I won't want someone else to come and lie to me or tell me their opinion without justifying the cause as to why they think the way that they think. It looks weak right now. Here it is on the weekly chart. Again, we don't want to see the price in Tesla close on the low like it is right now on the weekly time frame. Okay, so I'm not going to change my price prediction, even though I think I should, because I'm definitely seeing weakness on multiple time frames. So let me just let this market play out today, and then maybe Tuesday of next week, and we'll see if price still holds. But as of now, I'm leaning more towards price going down to Tesla. That's what I'm thinking. But we'll see what happens. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.